Thanks very much for your assessment for us. Do stay on with me as we move ahead now. Viewers, the ongoing conflict between the US and Iran, which marks 30 days now, has not just led to oil shortage and energy crisis, but impacted the supply and resulting inflation for a wide range of products, ranging from plastic, cosmetics to eatables and even alcoholic beverages. Global brewers operating in India are warning of price increases and supply disruptions as a shortage of gas due to the war driving up cost of glass bottles and shipping delays hit imports of aluminium needs by can makers. The Brewers Association of India, representing global brewers Heineken, Anheuser-Busch InBev and Carlsberg, told Reuters that glass bottle prices have surged around 20%. Paper carton rates have doubled, as well as other packaging materials such as labels and tape. All right, I am now in fact going to go across to Mr. Anil Jain, who is there with us on the phone line with us. Mr. Jain, very good morning and thanks very much for joining us. Now what we are seeing is, of course, not just direct impact on the prices of crude, but that has gone on to affect everything else that's related. Prices of alcohol are now expected to see a rise. What other commodities, daily items could see a spike?
Well, as you have already explained, and it was explained earlier by the economist, he explained it very well. I think that this war is going to put the whole world on a roller coaster. Because statements by one leader or other leader, they are all going to have a speculative effect on the market. You saw it when the Trump issued a statement of peace, that they are negotiating peace and they are well close to the close of the war. The prices immediately fell. And this was mainly because of the speculative buying and speculative selling. So this speculation in oil is resulting into all kind of uncertainties, whether it is oil or other commodities, because everything gets affected because of the transportation and shipments, etc. So all the items which you said, whether it is alcohol or fertilizer or food items, because of the transportation issue from one end to other, even if it's not directly involved with the Gulf, the prices will get affected. The prices are also getting affected because the cost of the containers, which has substantially increased in last 1 month time. So all over is going to have a multi-dimensional impact on the inflation. Besides, as you have already explained, that rupee is touching 95 rupees.
Yes.
Definitely, the cost of import is going up, and we have to pay a much higher price for everything we import.
Yeah.
And our exports are not taking place because of shipping problem now. There is a problem with the exports also, because a lot of consignments being held up on the port or at the factory level. So all this are going, and we are definitely going to have a tough time, and definitely Modi ji has not raised the price of petroleum product and reduced the duty by 10 rupees or so on diesel and petrol both. I think this is not going to help us in the long run. Ultimately, they will have to take some measures, because the prices will keep continuously rising, consistently rising, unless the situation gets in control. There is a resolution, and which is most unlikely in probably in a year's time. I see that this war is going to stretch beyond a year. There are multiple reasons that there are interested parties. Russia is definitely making big money out of this war. And even America is not losing, let me tell, because they are basically oil sellers. They are making much better realization out of every barrel of the oil, and ultimately this American economy, literally I should not say, but they survive on the wars and the defense export of defense material, etc., and so on and so forth.
Right, Mr. Jain. All right.